Another terrific night of hockey here. Eddie Olczyk is alongside. You'll hear from Ray Ferraro in a moment. I'm Mike Emery. Tonight, a great game that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Eddie, what's on your mind as we await this one?
Well, we have two teams that are intense, Doc, and they don't like each other very much, so stay tuned. I expect some fireworks here tonight.
Another terrific night of hockey here. Opening face-off done. Play in. The Red Hawks have it up the wing. Pass to the slot. Oh, great save there. Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away.
The goalie makes himself look big.
That one fired down. The defense will win the race, and icing is called. Good clean win on the draw. Fires. Took that right away. Nice work by Larson. It's an onside play. Denied by the defense. Puck loose. The Red Hawks are carrying it in their own zone. The Red Hawks have gotten out of their own end. Pass cut. Terrific charging down the ice. He won the race. Play continues. The Red Hawks control the play in the defensive zone. Not a long pass, but effective. He's got it. Chipped right back into the opposite corner. Linshow pings in their own end and in control of the puck. Picked up. Didn't go very well there. Who comes up with it? And we get a penalty here. The referee strides over to hand it out. Anderson's headed to the penalty box. A minor for tripping.
This is an easy call for the official, Doc. Player made no attempt to play the puck and just tripped up the attacking player.
And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. They win it. He knifed it away.
Time of the penalty, 7 minutes, 1 second.
Feeds the point. Cranks a shot. That's a good pad save. Still have control in their own end. Shooting. Good save there. He pulled it right back. The Red Hawks have control of the puck in the defensive zone. Looking to headman up the wing. Good job with the poke check. And in their own end, still with it. Into the end of attack. The Red Hawks power play let them down at a very important time.
Well, they didn't get much done there, and that was a key opportunity for them. They had trouble getting the puck to the net. It seemed
terrific save, terrific opportunity.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
At the point, big shot. Picked up by the defense. Fires. No.
You talk about a heavy, hard shot. Unfortunately, it just missed.
Carried to the corner by Roy. The Red Hawks in their own end controlling play now. Gets across, looks over his options. Looking from the corner. He's got that centering pass. Wonderful save. What a skill level there. Recollects it. Drives to the net. He scores! Carlson.
I think when he takes a look at this on video, he's going to see he was in really good position, Eddie. He just wasn't able to stop a perfect shot.
Carlson's come up strong here for his team, ending a scoreless game.
There was a feeling out process until that first goal of the game.
And they won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. A shot! Great point-blank save.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Snapped it off. They score!
He had that wrist shot ready to go in a perfect scoring area.
I don't know how he could be in much better position, Eddie. I got a clean look at this. That is a perfectly placed shot.
Just a little over 4 minutes remaining in the period. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. And they've won the faceoff.
By number 21, Emil Silvegaard, assisted by number
Pass cut.
by number 12.
Took that wrist shot. Got a piece of that one.
15 minutes, 44 seconds.
And it's a good pickup. Gains the zone. Right to the point. Flings it. Wonderful. An outstanding save.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Big face-off win. The clock has bled down to the last minute.
In the first period.
Puck loose, now picked up. Wonderful block. A shot. Just missed the net with that one.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chances handed away.
And the first period ends. Lin Chopin struck twice. 2-0.
Now's your chance to play clean. Drop your plastic cups, bottles, and clean paper products in the recycling bins throughout the arena. Thank you, fans, for joining us in the campaign to save energy.
It is a 2-goal lead thanks to that goal late in the period as we head to break. Puck dropped and the clock moving in the second period. Blocked away. The Red Hawks carry through center. Gets in. What'll he do? Shoots. Got in front of another one.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Taken on by Larson. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. The Red Hawks are skating it back in their own end. And they've got it again. Lin Choping's got it in their own end. Nicely into the zone. Shoots one. A good stick there, so no complete pass. That puck's loose, mishandled. Back in front. Can't get it on net.
You know what, Doc? I could see why he missed the net. There was nothing there. He tried to be too fine.
Cut his glove on it. Wonderful save, and he covers up.
That's one way to stop the momentum. Cover the puck and get a whistle.
I don't know how much of this puck he stopped, guys, but it was just enough to keep it out of the net.
A little under 6 minutes have gone by in the second. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. free puck now. Onside. Lots on that to Anderson. A wonderful shot answered quickly.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
And the linesmen were watching very carefully. That is an offside.
Gustafson's able to make that stop on a shot that changes direction. His positioning allows him to even be close to it.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Goes back deep for it. A whistle and a rest. Quick work on the faceoff. Has a chance to make a play through the corner. The Red Hawks have gotten to center ice. Fires just wide of the net. Up the wing still with possession. Shoots. He scores! That's 3 unanswered goals.
When you're thinking about taking a wrist shot, it's all about weight transfer. Transferring your weight from your back foot to your front foot when you're shooting that puck. That's exactly what happened there.
The butterflies become a default position for the goaltender, Enzo. And while the shot is nice, he's down in that butterfly position way too quickly.
And that's a face-off win.
Scored by number 18, Jacob.
Gets in, looks over his options here. A shot. Oh, what a stop.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
A little under 9 minutes to be skated, second period. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. Lin Choping's got it in center ice. And he picks it up. Perfect passing right through center. Puck loose. Good defensive positioning there. Good pass up that left wing, and he's got it. Lin Choping's in control of the puck up the wing. A great wrist shot. He scores! 4 goals in a row for the same team.
It's not how hard you shoot it, but it's the release that counts, and he snaps it home.
Really good positioning. He's in the butterfly where he's got most of the net covered, but there's obviously a hole and the puck's behind him.
Lin Choping's got a large lead in this game. Let's see if they can build on it or whether they'll start to get conservative. Neutral zone face-off 1. Possession established here. And he steps across the line. Good solid defensive play there.
I mean, Choping's been able to use their entire lineup tonight because everybody is going. The stat sheet is going to be filled with happy guys.
The stick can break up a play, and it just did. The Red Hawks move toward the neutral zone. Pushing it on along the boards. Mashed in. Looks ahead to start something. Trying to go to Carlson. Nice tip of the pass. Wonderful chance was set up, and the pass just goes wide. Up to the point. The Red Hawks continue on in the defensive zone. Has it picked up. The cursed goals are the ones in the first minute and the last. Will we see one here? Face-off win here. Deflected. The offense was strong, but the pad had the answer. Moves it to the corner. Puck free. Lets the shot fly. Outstanding save off a chance. 40 minutes have been played. A rest is deserved.
Give us the chance to see the greatest talents in the world when they visit our city. See the official arena website for details on upcoming concerts.
The Red Hawks are suffering on the goaltender. For him, there are great days, there are average days, and then there's today. More in a moment. Two periods played, one period ahead. What are your thoughts so far, Eddie?
The Red Hawks have been a bit frustrated, Doc, after 2 periods of play. They were down on the scoreboard. They have the prospects of a real hot goaltender in front of them. As their coach, I would tell them to stay with it. Eventually you get one, and then you get another, and you'll be right back in this game.
Right into the slot. Hoping to make a play along the boards. Shot, they score!
Larson's decision was pretty easy. This low in a slot, just snap it home.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat on the ice.
Lin Xiaoping's goal has taken them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. Third period of play.
Scored by number 53.
Moving it now along the side.
By number 40. Time of the goal. 1 minute.
Decides he wants the corner. Got it in his own end. He gets that pass ahead in stride. The Red Hawks wheel it up the wing. Loose puck, the defense got in the way there. Taken over again. Taken away. Looking for options up the wing. Gains the zone. He covers and holds on. Good job on the draw. The Red Hawks lug that puck along the boards. Chooses the corner for this. Blue line control. On the outside, a shot. Little pass that can start some progress ahead. Broken stick, couldn't take it. Pressure is intense. Who can get it out of there? Up the wing and moving well. Loose puck, good defensive denial. Snapping a pass to Anderson. The Red Hawks lug that along the boards. Slid to Anderson. Paddled aside. Lin Xiaoping's in their own end and has possession. Gets in. What'll he do? Shoots it on. Chooses the corner. Fantastic shutdown. Makes that play deep. He moves that one ahead through center. Can make a play from the corner. Could be trouble near the line. Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Swept on to Anderson. A shot. Got his stick on it. Ooh, it lay there, but he got the whistle and stoppage of play.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
A little over 6 minutes still to go in the third. When your car gets beyond 4 tires, I guess you can take a blowout. I don't know if we can take this one much longer. Nicely received at the point. Cranks one.
It's concern on the trainer as he takes a look at his player coming back to the bench. He's hurt.
It's a point hammer shot. And thrown down to Carlson. What a reaction save.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
Picks it up in his own end. The Red Hawks through the neutral zone controlling play now. That puck's loose, not too well handled. And the pickup. The Red Hawks continue on in their own end. Into the attacking end. Takes a shot. Terrific shot, but a save. We near the final minute of play in the third period. Turning point was the anthem in this one. The Red Hawks through the neutral zone gliding along. Lets it go. All a part of generating an offense. A little pass off from the goal. And he steps in. He throws it there. Oh, what a chance. What a save. The Red Hawks with possession in the defensive zone. He's in on an onside play. Jostled partway down. He lost it. Terrific glove save. And the puck control by Larson. Flips a wrister. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending.
The Red Hawks are down a man on the bench. A player's gone back to the locker room. I'll try and get you some information later.
Good clean win. Shoots. That's a good pad save. That's a marvelous save.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
And the horn is sounded, and this one goes down into the books. And the buzzer sounds. This was surgical.
You need good hands, Doc, to be a surgeon. They had good hands all night long.
So the teams have left the ice and are getting rested for next time. For this time, for Eddie and Ray, Mike Emmerich saying good night.